Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video earlier on the same leaf that is a bevel, and I thought I'd show you that you cannot put a shadow on this bevel. You know, the shadow tool just doesn't work on a bevel. So the same thing we did earlier, go up to Object and break the bevel apart, set your nudge factor on something a little bit bigger, so 2 inches will do it, and move it over. And then this is the original color, and you can take and put a shadow on this as far as you want or whatever you want to do. Let's make it pretty pronounced. And then select it all, go to Object and break the drop shadow apart, and now grab the drop shadow, which is, they're calling it a rectangle, lens effect, and nudge it over to your bevel effect. So if you can't ever do anything, sometimes thinking about kind of going backwards and starting at square one. Like if I was going to do this, I would make a copy of that before I beveled it. Go up to Effects, Bevel, and Bevel. And now you can see the drop shadow won't work, but your original color, you can put a pretty good drop shadow on it and get it as far away as you want or do whatever you want. But then go to Object and break the shadow apart, grab your pick tool back, grab that item and move it over there. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.